Fala aí, canal Troçados, não esqueça de deixar o like, se inscrever no canal, ativa o sininho.
Vitor, dia 6 da noite, falar no nosso Instagram.
Arroba Kevin.
Do 047.
Do nosso câmera.
Galera, canal 007.
E também do arroba Troçados. Bora bater 1.600 lá no nosso Instagram e 5.000 aqui, porque nós já prometemos cortar o cabelo e cortamos. Hoje o desafio é meio que um tutorial, finalização, que o time profissional faz no treinamento deles de finalização. Então vamos fazer, replicar o desafio aqui pra vocês.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Close. I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till education, so I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me.
Primeira com a direita.
Gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like a cokehead. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body back. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a
Nossa senhora, esse passeio aqui.
your girlfriend, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks.
Nossa senhora, hein, galera? Puta merda.
Hey, she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intent.
deixa nada.
Ah, não deixa não. Você?
No meio.
Ainda mais em cima.
Ajeitou. Mas não pega. Fez gol?
Vamos lá, esse canal de 22 dias, 7 horas da noite. Vai nesse 2 vídeos, então esse aqui embaixo. Até o próximo.